Hello guys, welcome all of you to Night Code. Today we are going to be looking into how to program the home page including session management and latest product listing. As you can see here we have our categories. These categories are the categories that users has inserted into our database. You can see here we have few categories here, and you can see here we have a category called cell phones and accessories, and here you can see we have our cell phones. Here we have a Samsung Fold, and here we have our price, and here it tells whether this phone is available in the stocks and how many items are available. Then here we have buttons as buy now buttons, and then add to cart button and add to wishlist button. And then again here we have our laptop category, gaming category, tablets category, and computers category. Since we haven't inserted any values to the database relevant to these categories, the products will not be displaying here. So now let's go into our code and see what's happening in there. Here now we are in our home.php file, and here we have our all category select list, and here we have our text saying all categories. We have inserted it into option tag, and we have given that option a value as 0, and in here we have our PHP script. Within our PHP script, here we have imported our connection.php file into this home.php file. Then in here we have our select query, and using the next line we have executed that select query in our server. Since this is a select query, it's going to give us output. So that output will be saved in our category underscore rs variable. And in the next line we have checked how many rows are available in the category underscore rs variable and stored it in the category underscore num variable. Then in here we have a for loop. First we have created the variable x and assigned 0. Then we have checked whether the x is less than the number of rows available in our result set, and then here we have our $x++. Within the for loop, here we have taken a row from the category underscore rs variable and convert it into a associative array, then stored it in our category underscore data variable. Here we have closed our this PHP starting mark, and then we have inserted another HTML line, and here we have a option tag, and then here we have a value, and here you can see we have a PHP script here, and we have printed the ID of the category data variable, and it has been assigned into value attribute. Next, here we have printed the name from the category data relevant to this ID within the starting and closing bracket of option tags. After this HTML code, here we have another PHP script. Within that PHP script we have closed our for loop. So moving on, after our cursor, here we have put another PHP script, and in it we have run a select query. The result of that select query has been stored in c underscore rs variable, and in here we have checked how many rows are available in that $underscore rs variable and store the number in the $c underscore num variable. In here we have started a for loop, and here we have created a variable as $x and assigned 0 to it, and then we have checked whether the $x variable value is less than $C underscore num variables value, and then here we have put $plus plus. In here we have taken a row from C underscore rs variable and assign it into $C data variable. Here we have closed that PHP script. Then we have put category names. In category names, you can see here we have put the anchor tag, and within that anchor tag we have printed this C data's name. By this, the values relevant to this name will be printed in here. Simply, this is going to print the category names. Then here we have our product. You can see here we have another PHP script, and here we have a query, and we have run it and stored the result of this select query in product underscore rs variable. In here we have said we only need 4 values. Then here we have checked how many rows are available in the $product underscore rs variable, and we have assigned that value into $product underscore num variable. Then here we have a for loop. We have created a variable as $x and assigned 0. Then we have checked whether the $x value is less than the product underscore num variable value, and then here we have put $z plus plus. After that, here we have taken a row from the product underscore rs variable and stored in it the product underscore data variable, and here we have closed that PHP script. In here we have also started another PHP script, and in here we have run a select query again, and we have stored that in the image underscore rs variable. After run this line, we will have the path of the images. In here we have taken a row from image underscore rs and stored it in a image underscore data variable. Here we have closed that PHP script as well, and as you can see, here we have put the image tag, and here we have a PHP script. This PHP script is going to print the path of the relevant image, and it will be assigned into src as the value of it. Then in here we also have put another 2 PHP code, and we have used this first PHP script to print the title of that product within this h5 tags. Then in here we have used this line to print the price of that relevant product. Then again here we have started a PHP script. Within it, here we have started a if condition. We have closed this PHP script here because we are going to put a HTML code within the if condition. And here we have put whether that product is in our stock, and then here we have put how many items are available within the stock. So this PHP script is going to print how many items are available. In the next line, here we have put a button saying buy now. So after click this button, a user can buy that product. And then here we have add to cart button. In our else part, here we have put another HTML tag, since this else part is going to execute if the relevant product is not available in our stock. Here we have printed it's out of stock, and then here we have print 0 items are available, and then here we have our buy now button and our add to cart button. As you can see, here we have put a class name as disable. After put this disable button, the user cannot click on this buy now button, and it will, even if the user click on that button, nothing is going to happen, and also it will be indicating a different color, and also it will be indicating using a different color. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks all of you guys for joining with me. See you in the next video.